Why you think I never talk on top television? And they went that place when he entered the chorus. Oh, you see, why you they always they be like this? I don't know. I don't know. You always tamper with somebody's destiny. If no, it's not good. I ban you from today. I'm telling you, before God and man, for me, don't ever do that thing again.
I'm not good at it.
Knee down. Knee down. Get up. Stand up. My friend, stand up. I did with that song since because I don't equal my brother. You know, say you just decade some kind girl or something because maybe you can make it go equal. It's my brother. The same person equal. I know that you're feeling me from away. Oh, I'm coming to my boy. You the easy bit the yellows. I mean, when I welcome on Top Night Show, not mind easy bit today, not Tuesday. On top Wasobia Television Planet, where channel 195, we call them Planet 195 on Top Star Times. How on a day? Today's show, Kokera CB, we get to talk about things when they happen. You know, say NYSC. I don't know, easy where you do your NYSC.
I don't know for Benin, I don't know. Funny enough.
Benin?
Yeah, just work.
You go school for Benin. You can't work them.
Yeah, based on
Why
tradition.
you go work them?
Based on tradition.
Tradition?
Yeah, no, as in not be Benin tradition, based on my...
No, I don't know. You know, tradition can be anything. Tradition and the subjective
that kind of
at this point in time.
I just one day make I occupy.
For Benin?
Before I go move.
So, you go school for Benin, can't walk up to Benin?
Yeah, then when I move, I move.
Yeah. So now me say you're a very bad boy. I am in a very good girl because I know what I'm then carry me call not. Now there I did. Bauchi State, now there I did 1 year. So it's okay. And I've been get very nice time onto my service here.
Nice
but
time.
recently they don't say make people make government scrap NYSC. Say you know can they, you know, functional, they no can get use again. There's no need to they go NYSC, make person just go school from school, maybe you just enter market, can they find the work.
Just look for how now.
So I don't know. Now we say okay, make we get one of our core pass where we don't know corporation.
Okay.
They just pass out. So let us sit down. Although she don't look like copper these days. I can't get banker or those kind of things. But although copper, that's the truth of the matter. And I can tell is wearing fine clothes, but she don't have work. So I don't sound them like a clanging cymbal. I move like pendulum, but you don't have work. So sometimes I think about packaging, you can package yourself, my brother. Stand on the road, nobody know that you don't have work. You stand and carry your handbag them and keep a straight face. Woo.
Wow.
That's all. Then you go where you are going. So we want to talk to our corporation today when they just pass out, maybe like last week they just pass out, their POP, no be plaster of Paris. Now passing out parade. Them do their passing out parade last week and a whole 1J. She can't do NYSC, but it be like say they send them to Okun State. So we just want, you know, talk to them, ask them, say how things, if she don't get planned to find work, if she enter studio, yours no do like say, I don't tell you, say she no get work.
Okay.
Yours, you know, then I could ask you how you see them,
Alright.
you know. And then we get another case when go enter inside studio, when go talk to us about theater. You know, say nowadays, na film, na Nollywood, Bollywood, Ghanaiwood, how do they call Ghana? Ghana, I think about all the wood. So nowadays when people they watch film, I don't know how many people still they co-pay money say they want watch live theater. I don't know. If they ask people now, when last? If you make I ask you, when last you watch?
I don't feel remember.
Wait. Now because say you don't like to watch live theater show or you don't get chance to watch
Now,
or
I won't even watch. Number one, most of the time I like na foreign movie I like watch. But now even the live theater say even imagine say you want watch and where you want to watch. Unless say you be die-hard fan, you just won't go where they where you want.
So you don't think say you don't they die be inside the
somehow I just feel say
country.
yeah, they dodge. They dodge.
They dodge. No, Baba K no they dodge do am. Baba K they our guest inside studio. Second case we go sit down and talk about this thing. Baba K get plans so that 20-something of July. Baba K get plans to awaken and reawaken the theater life inside of us. May we go market quick. Make I want ECB very well. When we come back, you could see our color TV that one be. I don't know about the mix, black and white color TV. our case, our co-passion, me Neruto, we don't have work. Aya about me and sit down and talk to us on Top Night Show. When they come back, yours now, close eye open, we don't come back. You're not paying me to dance. So I'm not dancing again. It's be like cash you today. Today, now me say I know they dance again. No, but you off music on top of me. They are dirty. When I welcome our Top Night Show, we don't sit down, my, you know. Kesalo. How many times I call you? Obey the voice of the Lord. My kids don't sit down on Top Night Show. I do a co-passion. I also passed out last week. So, you know that well. No, baby. And now, it's good to see you.
It's good to see you too.
Easy. Huh? Oh, yes, yeah.
She makes sense.
Am I missing something?
No. Oh, my darling. I don't hear. May I give you water to drink or you're all right? Water. Okay, Kesaro. Kesaro, find yourself wherever you are and bring water inside the studio. No, baby, how now?
I'm fine.
Ma, you know be like person where go save food. Now so Copas, baby. Or your own day different.
It's the same. Our economy is stepping up. It's stepping up.
I don't believe you. So where you serve? My guest now, Temi Tokpe. Now those kind. Now those kind Mr. E name them. Call her again.
Temi Tokpe Olowoniyan.
Oh, so say sweet voice. Oh, Temi Tokpe Olowoniyan. Now him be our girls inside studio today. So how now? So how your service here been be? 1 year where you serve. How the experience be for you in that whole 1 year? You get things where you don't learn inside the process of NYSC.
Yeah, true. I served in Ogun State. Adiyon, a serious village.
Is it not
A serious village.
Is it a serious village?
It's not just a village. It is a serious village. You know, one very funny experience I can never forget was
Wait, you know they speak broken?
I won't ask. I just make
It is. I just, you know, say, when I not be careful, I dey hear you. You know.
How would you know I'm a graduate, you know, if I don't speak the English?
Jesus. No, we know they ask you, say you never graduate. Anyway, though, you know, sometime.
No, I have to give you the introduction so you know.
Yeah.
She finished
she want
school.
job.
Exactly.
She won't get a job.
I want to get a job.
Okay, I could contact Kesaro for you. Onto this matter, Kesaro, don't worry. You saw that very all right. But that we want to your speak so that the community, whether high and low, top and down, can listen to you, you know, and maybe know they only carried away by your beauty. Because now for bad, you can confuse the human beings. So it anyone do that we just want to come down to the local level.
Okay.
That is it.
Okay. Now for Ogun State, I do my NYSC.
Oh, the baby can't sweet for a mouth. Okay, so you do your NYSC Ogun State, one serious village.
One serious village.
What's in the village? No light, no water.
Lights now 1 day on, 2 days off.
Okay.
Even that day on safe, now that kind 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. So from 7 p.m. till
The next
3
day.
days. No, now 2 days off. 1 day
Till
on.
3 days after.
You don't
6
even-
p.m.,
the only
7
thing,
p.m.
The only thing you need light for is to charge your phone and charge your power bank. Because what are you watching? There's nothing to watch. There's almost no channel. Everything, you'll still be turning your antenna, trying to
And I
get...
those tonton antenna.
Antenna, serious antenna. I don't even know the use of antenna till I reach that village. Because now DSTV all of us Sabina, but for that you go buy antenna. You must buy them, else you not go know it in the happen.
Then you go stand, you go tune them.
You go stay for your window, they push, you go open the wire into two. You get, if you cut them, if you buy them, you know if you use them like that, so you guys open them, cut them, the blue and the red. Seriously. You can't separate them so that you go get maybe Galaxy. Whichever TV you fit get, you go just separate them.
You go just leave
You
it
go
there.
just, praise God, though, you feel see human beings. They move into your screen. Seriously, it wasn't funny. But it was interesting, I wouldn't lie, because when I after the camp, when they gave me my letter, I was hoping for, okay, I wanted Lagos State. I couldn't get Lagos State, so I got Ogun State. So
You know what?
I try Wakam now.
You know what?
You know what?
They send you, they know where they send you go. Why you go one, I don't know. I even take ECB and learn from him. Why you go one change your destiny in that 1 year? Go on, I
But
didn't hear
they
you.
still push me go the Ogun State. I did my destiny.
So he did okay, he
So
good.
I now saw Ojodu. And based on what I know now, Ojodu na Lagos State. So I was happy. I said, I don't go Lagos now. I came back to Lagos. I entered bus. I showed them address. We did go. We pass Abulegba. We still they go. We pass Shaga. We still they go. I said, okay, you sure say you never pass? Where? They said, we never reach now. When we reach Adio. I said, no be Lagos be this. So I just come down. He said, this part you go use leg waka. We know they go this road. I said, you know they go this road. I called the owner of the school. He said, you've not reached my school. You go still they come. Cry. You know this kind of situation where you know go see cry. You just say, God is with me. That's how they go.
Take leg waka go.
One morning after I settled down for this school, I said, make I go jog for early morning. So they go, people just they come out, they look me. I go school, come back. I go school, come back. I say, I go
You are
see,
very
like,
wicked.
to all these papas, these village men. They say they want to see me. I said, hope no problem. Hope say I never do anything wrong. They say they're not sure. But it be like say the God where they serve no be the God where they serve. I said, how? Say the money be like say my own worship now to they run. I'm serious. So I said to they run how?
They can never stop NYSC. I no agree. You see this story where she dey tell me, I no agree. You know, go see I'm inside late to say you dey say for town.
How now?
They say no be the same
He
worship.
say
The same.
no be the God. They say people they complain like that the way why they worship my God is too aggressive. You know, aggressive no be the word when you say it just like this. It's too serious. I said no be worship or exercise. You see the way you look at me. You know that's how it's exercise me no. I say exercise.
You say worship.
He say exercise. He say, sure, I can stop doing it. I say, I can stop. That's why I know they jog again. No? Because they say I'm making them afraid. My method of worshiping God. It's a serious village. You should go there if you don't have anything to do.
No. You are telling the wrong person. Easy no go there. My sister, easy be Ikaro. So as you did that village, what do you do for your NYSC for there?
I was teaching. I was teaching in a secondary school.
Secondary, you like this? Okay, wait now. Which class? SS3?
SS1 to 3. SS1, SS2, SS3.
They're going to call you madam.
Auntie. Auntie.
You get K?
What do you be they teach?
No, English and literature.
What do you study for school?
English.
Okay.
English drama. But I taught English and literature.
So how the experience been be for you?
In the beginning, it was difficult because you know students, children, and they want to prove stubborn. You'll be talking, they'll be talking. If it got to a point when I'm talking, they'll be singing, gisting, laughing. Then one day, when they were talking, I just sat down and I was reading book. They said, Auntie, won't you teach? I said, oh, have you finished? And you know, from then, when I come and I crack one joke, or maybe somebody that's trying to be rude, I now insult him in one very sarcastic way, then I started mellowing down small, so because I was trying to do the nice teacher, nice. When
and they did not understand.
They did not understand nice. When I started giving it back to them, everybody humble. Auntie. If when they will see me on the streets, Auntie. It was embarrassing.
And a mixed school.
Mixed school. Auntie Tokpe, they will buy you food. Before, if I'm passing, they can even want to throw something, let me fall down. But after, when I started giving it to them, Auntie, do you want water? Auntie, do you want... I was afraid, but till I realized that this is their own way of showing me that I'm welcome. You know, they will come to my house because the corpus lodge and they will sweep, clean. They'll say it's their form of respect. Students. Not all, but those that were thinking they will get mark. Right? They were thinking they will get extra mark for doing that one that they were doing. But it was nice because it just showed, you know, where I'm coming from.
You are pidgin. You don't confuse me inside the English. I can't think, you know, say this woman they try to talk. Okay.
You know, say based on where I don't they come from, can't reach that kind of village. I don't know, say I feel see people we don't their level of reasoning no go reach my own. This kind, the things where they bother me, no they bother them. I go the reason say, hey, I got make them for this life. Then they go the reason say, I go get 100 naira buy credit. Then me I go they look
the
them
level of thinking no just day.
You know just day. So this kind to come down to their level. Now the NYSC be that. because they want make na the NYSC be that too, because they want make you experience that kind grassroots life. And you know say I happy say I know dey Lagos, because if I dey Lagos I no go do me like say na NYSC, because I go just dey live my normal life. But when I dey that side you go see people where they suffer. You go know say na life be this. You get one time where I get tooth pain. I won't find Bonjela. Na so I waka. I dey find I first tell them say I dey find pharmacy.
They say wetin be that?
They say pharmacy. I say chemist. Now this one no joke so. My neighbor, no be neighbor, she dey sell for a so make she give me something. I say, give me something. She say, if they pay me, no dey pay. I say, they pay me now. She come mix one. No, don't be Nigerian film or real life. She mix this kind of leaf. She put some. She say, make the way I look at me, I say, hey, but the pain.
No green, even think straight.
This guy, I say, okay, if you say go walk, make. You know this guy, no jokes. As she dey talk to me, this guy, and the reason say the pain dey there, you know say. In which one point for the gist way, I just start to laugh. She say, your mouth no dey pain you again. That's why they find them. I say, so me where they find pharmacy.
And
all
chemist,
and
everything. This one, they
just mix it. I just say before, when I go to work out, they look and say, for this villagers safe. I don't know say na the real life be that, because they don't get worries like the kind of worries we go the worry say we gas reach this place. No traffic, na Lego. If you get machine, you be rich man. Because now it's like this Benz, everybody. You walk to where I go. If I say I'm coming in 5 minutes, I am reaching you in 5 minutes, because traffic no dey. It's just waka.
So you no go say, okay, so you go say make federal government no just ban NYSC at all. Make them leave them.
Make them leave them. But people go hate me for it. I won't talk. But make them still push people to grassroots.
To go that side.
Yes, because the whole idea about this thing that be say make people experience things where they know they see for normal life. So if you want to make person experience them, not put them for their comfort zone. Put them where they go no say, then they do something.
And make people know they walk their posting. If they send you go Kafanchan, go there quietly. Don't walk it back to reality. Just leave them.
Carry you go Borno.
Go where you they go. And that's all. I don't talk rich Borno. So as you study English and literary studies, and you define which kind of, I know say you don't do some small acting.
Yes.
Me and Amifen, we don't jam for sets 1 or 2 times for work. What would they do outside? So now I want ask you, say, okay, Baba, they come on top show when we go break, come back. I want to say, theater. You know, say people like film, you like film. You like TV series, it's okay. But how about stage? What do you feel about stage? Stage, they die for this, our Lagos. Stage, they die for Nigeria. Or people see they go watch stage plays or stage dramas or stage anything.
Well, me for school, na stage I do. And when I come out, I've been reason say, when I reach Lagos, na stage I go they do.
Which one you prefer? Film, television, or stage? He had.
Oh, he had. You know, say all of them get their own things where you go they like to see. You know, once in a while, that stage feeling. You know, say you go just sit down, they go they do them, you go they watch them. It's sweet, but you know, say to go back your collection, carry CD put, you get your own advice. Everything, I know fit choose, but I like all of them. All of them join.
Some people say they like stage because say stage na there and then. If you make mistake na there and then. Because your mind they gear to doing stage, you to make mistake go hard because you know say na there and now.
Then,
but film, if you make mistake, they go say okay, cut. Do them again.
Take again.
So and many people it be like say stage no they too.
Yeah, you know say stage na based on exposure. If you don't travel, abi you don't person wey sabi am don't take you go watch am or school. People know too sabi stage, and then even if you see adverts for stage, you know too dey public. Now just for kind of secluded places, small people go just know say, oh, stage they show. But for this Lagos, for Nigeria self, I'm not sure say it's today popular.
If you get chance to do stage, you go do stage.
I go do. Now wetin I sabi.
You sabi and pass. The film.
Oh
yeah, we talked to Temitope that our recent compassion where yours passed out last week. He passed out. She do her NYSC for inside one serious village, as she call them. When teach them how to her eye come down, she can't learn 1 or 2 things join. We go come back and come back. When we come back, go sit down here. We go now talk about theater and how much people enjoy theater. If you enjoy theater or stage play and all of that, which one you could prefer? Television series? film, Nollywood film, Collywood, everything wood film, or you could prefer stage. And wetin come be the problem onto stage plays for Naija and our money. I mean, people know they interested in stage and all that. We dey come market. When we come back, we go enter another level. Our color thief is still there, bam. KSL, I call you. We dey come back.
If una know say una just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. No darling.